Today, I'll show you 11 practical strategies to keep you comfortable, fed, and safe when the grid goes down. Whether you're facing a sudden blackout or a prolonged outage, these tips will help you stay prepared and resilient no matter what comes your way. This isn't about doom and gloom, just real solutions that work. It's about taking control, staying positive, and making the best of a tough situation with a calm and resourceful mindset. When the power fails, the clock starts ticking. Food spoils, toilets stop, stores run out, and you're left with what you have and what you know. Every minute counts, and your actions in those first hours can make a huge difference for your comfort and safety. But with some knowledge and preparation, you can handle it better than most. Light when others have none, warmth when it's freezing, and a cool head when things get tough. You'll be ready to adapt, improvise, and even help others around you. This is about empowering yourself with skills that matter. These are the basics that can turn a crisis into a manageable challenge and help you feel confident in any blackout. Let's dive in. This is your guide to thriving when the lights go out. Get ready to learn, prepare, and take charge of your safety and comfort, no matter how dark it gets. First up, light. Darkness brings uncertainty, but the right lighting system restores comfort and safety. Don't rely on a single source, especially not candles. They're a fire hazard and barely illuminate. Think in layers, safe, reliable, and long-lasting light sources with backups for your backups. Build a lighting system, different lights for different tasks, powered in multiple ways. This isn't about expensive gear, it's about smart planning. We'll break down the best options, from solar to battery-powered solutions. Forget unreliable junk, focus on robust, dependable lighting. Let's get started. At the top of your emergency lighting system are solar-powered LED lights, free to use, completely silent, and incredibly sustainable. These lights harness the sun's energy, so you never have to worry about running out of fuel or batteries during a blackout. Modern solar lights are impressively bright, built to last, and highly efficient, making them perfect for long-term power outages or off-grid living. They're designed to withstand daily use and harsh conditions. Choose lights with separate solar panels and long wires so you can position the panel outside in the sun while keeping the light safely indoors, ensuring maximum charging and convenience. Every morning, set your panels out to soak up sunlight. Every night, enjoy hours of reliable, clean light that doesn't cost a cent to run. This daily routine keeps your home bright and safe. Many solar LED units also come with USB ports, letting you charge your phone or small devices, so you get both lighting and emergency power in one package. When shopping, look for models with high battery capacity and good brightness. 100 to 200 lumens is ideal for most rooms. Check the specs to make sure they'll meet your needs. Start with a kit of 2 or 3 lights, install them around your home, and test them out to see how well they perform in different rooms and conditions. Solar lighting truly is a game changer for grid-down living, offering peace of mind, comfort, and independence when you need it most. Next, LED lanterns with rechargeable batteries, your workhorses for area lighting. They fill a room with a safe, soft glow, creating normalcy and community. Choose lanterns that recharge via wall, car, USB, or solar panel. Rotate 2 or 3 lanterns. Use one, charge the others. Look for robust, water-resistant models with adjustable brightness. Invest in quality rechargeable batteries and a good charger. These lanterns are a core part of your home's resilience. Treat them as an investment. They'll be there when everything else goes dark. Every person in your home should have access to a high-quality LED flashlight, no exceptions. In an emergency, Having reliable light for every family member can make all the difference, whether you're navigating a power outage or searching for supplies in the dark. Forget those flimsy, cheap plastic models. Instead, invest in flashlights that are built to last. Look for durable, water-resistant designs with adjustable brightness settings so you're prepared for any situation, even heavy rain or accidental drops. Rechargeable lithium-ion batteries are a must. Choose flashlights with built-in USB charging ports. This makes it easy to keep your lights powered up using the same cables and chargers you already have for your other devices. Always keep a spare, fully charged battery for each flashlight on hand. This way, you'll never be left in the dark if your main battery runs out unexpectedly. Consider building a small collection: a pocket-sized EDC flashlight for everyday carry, a powerful central flashlight for general use, and a headlamp for hands-free tasks around the house or outdoors. Headlamps are invaluable for cooking, making repairs, reading, or any activity where you need both hands-free and reliable illumination. Adjustable brightness is a key feature. It lets you conserve battery power when you only need a little light or flood a large area with brightness when necessary. Interoperability is key. Choose flashlights that can be charged from the same power bank or solar panel as your other essential devices, making your emergency setup more efficient and streamlined. Quality flashlights are absolutely essential for both safety and utility, whether you're dealing with a blackout, working outside at night, or handling unexpected emergencies. Don't skimp on this vital tool. Your safety, and even your life, could depend on having a reliable flashlight when you need it most. Propane lanterns are a powerful backup, bright, reliable, and even provide a bit of heat. Always keep spare mantles as they're fragile. Safety is critical. Use only with proper ventilation and a battery-powered carbon monoxide detector. Never use in a sealed space. Stock up on 1-pound propane canisters or use an adapter hose for a 20-pound tank for longer runtime. Propane lanterns used safely are brilliant for extended outages. Respect the risks, and they'll serve you well. Candles are your absolute last resort. Backup to your backup. They're a major fire risk, especially in chaos. If you must use them, follow strict rules. Never leave unattended, use stable holders, and keep away from flammables. Choose high-quality emergency candles, thick, unscented, long-burning. Store in a cool, dark place. Candles are your final defense against darkness. Treat them with respect. Practice safety now, so you're ready if you ever need them. But always reach for solar lights, lanterns, or flashlights first. Next challenge: temperature. When HVAC fails, you're at the mercy of the elements. Create a microclimate heat or cool one small, well-insulated room instead of the whole house. Choose a small interior room with few windows. Block drafts with blankets or towels. In winter, gather everyone and pets in this room. Body heat helps. In summer, use the lowest or north-facing room. The goal: a safe zone with livable temperature. We'll cover specific heating and cooling tools next. The gold standard for off-grid heating is a wood stove. Powerful, reliable, and multifunctional. It heats, cooks, boils water, and dries clothes. Install professionally for safety, with proper venting. Use only seasoned firewood. Dry for 6 to 12 months for best results. Stack and cover wood, but allow airflow for drying. Learn to operate your stove, start fires, control airflow, and bank coals. Practice before an emergency. Cook, boil water, get comfortable. A wood stove connects you to a fundamental, resilient way of living. No wood stove? Use a portable propane heater rated for indoor use. Look for models with oxygen depletion sensors and tip-over switches. Always ventilate and use a carbon monoxide detector. Use adapter hoses to connect to 20-pound tanks for longer heat. Place heaters in the center of the room, away from flammables. Warm the room, then turn off to conserve fuel. A quality propane heater is a simple, effective way to stay warm when the grid fails. In a heat wave, low-tech cooling is vital. Follow the shade. Use basements or north-facing rooms. Keep blinds closed on sunny windows. Blackout curtains help. Seal the house during the day. Ventilate at night with cross breezes. Use battery-powered fans to move air. Stay hydrated. Use damp cloths. And hang wet sheets for evaporative cooling. Do chores in the morning or evening. Rest during peak heat. Light, loose clothing makes a big difference. For active cooling, make a DIY air conditioner, a battery-powered fan, and a block of ice. Freeze water in large containers before an outage. Place the ice in a pan, aim the fan over it, and enjoy a cool breeze. The melting ice also provides clean drinking water. For more efficiency, put the ice in a cooler with holes for airflow. This setup cools and dehumidifies the air, perfect for sweltering rooms. Simple ingenuity can bring real comfort when modern tech fails. There you have it, 11 practical strategies to take control when the grid goes down. We've covered lighting, heating, and cooling. Real plans for real emergencies. Preparation isn't about fear, it's about confidence and comfort. Start small. Buy a headlamp, a solar light, or a propane heater. Every step builds your resilience. You don't have to do it all at once. Just begin. Stay prepared, stay safe, and you'll be ready for any adventure. This is the true spirit of survival. Adapt, overcome, and thrive.